So in order to prepare the student for future, in order to prepare the student for the secondary stage of life, CBSE has initiated, there are some initiatives that have been started from CBSE, which are problem solving assessment. In problem solving assessment, what happens is there are questions from language conventions, which are the written aspects, and qualitative reasoning from history, from social science and all that, and quantitative reasoning from mathematics, the calculation part. So questions come from all these areas, and students logical thinking, critical thinking, creativity, and all these things get enhanced. When we talk about OTBA, OTBA has questions on higher order thinking skill. When we talk about higher order thinking skill, we are talking about application of a particular concept, we are talking about creating something new, we are talking about the analysis. So these kind of initiative, and the other initiative is ASL, which is assessment of speaking and listening skills, which is actually a conscious effort in order to improve the communication skills of a particular student. Because what generally happens is that a student spends around 12 years in an English medium school. Even then he is not able to communicate properly, he is not able to speak properly, so his self-esteem goes low, goes down, he does not feel confident, he feels inferior, he has to prepare for the interviews explicitly, he takes coaching classes, English speaking classes, personality development classes. So why these things have not been included within the CBSE syllabus? So that is why CBSE has included all these areas in his syllabus.